Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 12th standard state board, chapter 8, exercise 8.2. First sum, find the differential dy. You already studied in the 11th standard the differential calculus. You know how to do the sum also. See here, y equal to 1 minus 2x the whole cube by 3 minus 4x. What form is this? Yeah, it is a quotient rule. You can apply for u by v formula. You can apply for u by v formula. What is the differentiation of d by dx of, with respect to x of u by v equal to v u dash minus u v dash by v square. V u dash minus u v dash by v square. So, now we move on to the sum. What is v? 3 minus 4x. v is 3 minus 4x. U dash, you will write like this, d by dx of 1 minus 2x the whole cube. 1 minus 2x the whole cube minus u 1 minus 2x the whole cube into v dash d by dx of 3 minus 4x whole divided by 3 minus 4x the whole square. 3 minus 4x the whole square. See, you brush up your thing. See here, 3 minus 4x. How you can differentiate this one? Yeah, it is in a power first. Successive differentiation, chain rule differentiation. First you can differentiate the power. N into x power n minus 1. So, 3 into 1 minus 2x whole power 3 minus 1. So, the power part is over. Then you move on to the differentiation of 1 minus 2x. It becomes 0 minus 2 into 1. Is it clear for you? See, first you can think of the power. Power is n into x power n minus 1. Then the power part is over. Then you will concentrate on the term. What is the term? 1 minus 2x. So, 1 becomes 0 minus 2 into 1. This term is over. Minus. See here, I will write it here. 1 minus 2x the whole cube. 1 minus 2x the whole cube. Differentiation d by dx of. See, 3 become 0 minus 4 into 1. 3 becomes 0 minus 4 into 1 whole divided by 3 minus 4x the whole square. Whole divided by 3 minus 4x the whole square. See, dy by dx equal to 3 minus 4x into 3 into 1 minus 2x whole power 2 into minus 2, the one term, 3 minus 4x into 3 into 1 minus 2x whole power 2 minus 2 minus into minus become what? Plus 4 into 1 minus 2x the whole cube whole divided by 3 minus 4x the whole square. Okay, see here, dy by dx equal to, see, you will write 3 2s are 6 minus 6. See, here also 1 minus 2x is there, here also 1 minus 2x is there. You can take it as commonly out. 1 minus 2x the whole square, you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing is left out? See, 3 minus 4x. 3 minus 4x. See here, plus 6 into. See here, I will take it as only 1 minus 2x the whole square is commonly out. What is the remaining thing here? See, minus 6 into 3 minus 4x. Minus 6 into 3 minus 4x plus here also you can take it as 1 minus 2x the whole square out. I will write it here. 4 into 1 minus 2x. 4 into 1 minus 2x by 3 minus 4x the whole square. See here, 2 is common. I can take it out. 2 into 1 minus 2x the whole square into minus 3 into 3 minus 4x plus 2 2s are 4. 2 into 1 minus 2x whole divided by 3 minus 4x the whole square. See, dy by dx equal to 2 into 1 minus 2x the whole square into, you multiply minus 3 inside, it becomes minus 9 plus 12x. Minus 9 plus 12x plus 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 minus 2 become minus 4x. Plus 2 minus 2 become minus 4x by 3 minus 4x the whole square. 3 minus 4x the whole square. It gives 2 into 1 minus 2x the whole square. 2 into 1 minus 2x the whole square. 12x minus 4x. 8x. 8x. 12x minus 4x is 8x. Minus 9 plus 2 minus 7 by 3 minus 4x the whole square. It is dy by dx. They are asking about the value of dy. So, dy equal to 2 into 1 minus 2x the whole square into 8x minus 7 by 3 minus 4x the whole square into dx. See the second sum. Y equal to 3 plus sin 2x whole power 2 by 3. The same thing, differentiate with respect to x. First you can concentrate on power. Power is there. Then you can move on to the, because successive differentiation. First power. Then you can differentiate 3 plus sin 2x. So, dy by dx equal to n into the whole term you can consider as x. N into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. Then power is over. Then you can concentrate on this. What is this? 3 differentiation is 0 because it is constant. Sin 2x. Sin 2x is what? Cos 2x. X coefficient into 2. X coefficient into 2. So, dy by dx equal to 2 by 3 into 3 plus sin 2x. The whole power 3 is the LCM. 2 minus 3 by whole divided by 3 is, what is that value? Minus 1 by 3 into 2 cos 2x into 2 cos 2x. 2 into 2 become 4. So, it gives dy equal to 4 by 3 into 3 plus sin 2x whole power minus 1 by 3 into what? Cos 2x into dx. That dx goes to that side into dx, or otherwise you can bring it down also, no problem. This term you can bring it down. So, it gives, see, dy equal to, the power is in a negative, so you can bring it to the denominator. So, it gives 4 cos 2x by 3 into 3 plus sin 2x whole power 1 by 3. Whole power 1 by 3. 4 cos 2x by 3 into 3 plus sin 2x whole power 1 by 3 into dx. This is the answer for the second one. Move on to the third one. What is the third one? Y equal to e power x square minus 5x plus 7 into cos of x square minus 1. It is a product rule because two x terms are there. It is in a product rule. So, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the formula for d by dx of uv? D by dx of uv equal to uv dash plus v u dash. D by dx of uv is uv dash plus v u dash. This one you can take it as u and this one you can take it as v. So, dy by dx equal to u as it is you will write. So, e power x square minus 5x plus 7 into what is the differentiation of cos x square minus 1? If it is cos x means you will differentiate minus sin x. But here the addition of terms is there. What is that? Cos of x square minus 1. So, two terms are there. First you will differentiate cos x. That x square minus 1, the total term you can consider as x. Then you move on to the x square minus 1 differentiation. See here. Minus sin of x square minus 1 minus sin of x square minus 1 because cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Then differentiation of x square minus 1. X square minus 1 is nothing but what? 2x minus 0. 2x minus 0 plus what is that? V. V you will write as it is cos of x square minus 1 u dash e power x. If it is e power x, differentiation is e power x. But in the term of x, what is there? That replaced by x square minus 5x plus 7. So, again you will differentiate. Okay. So, e power x. First, that e power x part is over. First e power x, then you move on to the second one. What is the second one? X square minus 5x plus 7. Differentiation of x square minus 5x plus 7 is what? 2x, because x square differentiation is 2x minus 5 into 1 plus 0. 2x minus 5 into 1 plus 0. See? dy by dx equal to, you can take it as e power x square minus 5x plus 7 is common. You can take it as e power x square minus 5x plus 7. What is the remaining thing? Yeah, minus 2x into sin of x square minus 1. Minus 2x into sin of x square minus 1. So, what is the remaining part here? See here, plus 2x minus 5 into 2x minus 5 into cos of x square minus 1. Cos of x square minus 1. So, dy by dx equal to e power x square minus 5x plus 7 into, okay, you write it in your first positive, 2x minus 5 into cos of x square minus 1 minus 2x into sin of x square minus 1. Sin of x square minus 1. So, dy equal to e power x square minus 5x plus 7 into 2x minus 5 into cos of x square minus 1 minus 2x into sin of x square minus 1 into dx. because we want the value of dy only. See the sum. Find df for f of x equal to x square plus 3x and evaluate x equal to 2 and dx equal to 0.1. See f of x. F of x is nothing but what? Y. F of x is nothing but a function of x, is nothing but y. Y equal to x square plus 3x. So you will write y equal to x square plus 3x. Now you differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y become dy by dx. Y become dy by dx. X square 2x plus 3 into x become 1. So dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to. Dy by dx equal to 2x plus 3. Dy by dx equal to 2x plus 3. Dy equal to 2x plus 3 into dx. But the values are given. What are the values? X equal to 2 and dx equal to 0.1. You can substitute everything here. See here. df. df is nothing but what? dy. This is df by dx. So you change it into that y is what? df equal to, because I consider that f of x equal to y, so I changed into df equal to 2 into what is that x value? 2 into 2 plus 3 into dx value is what? 0.1. So df equal to 4 plus 3, 7. 7 into 0.1. So what is the value? 0.7. The value is 0.7. See, find delta f and df for the function of f. For the indicated value of x, delta x, and compare the both x, delta f and f. See, we have to find out the actual change, estimated change, and you can find out the value of error also. I equal to f of x. See, f of x is df. Okay. So, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. F of x equal to x cube minus 2x square, that you can write as f dash of x. Differentiation. Or dy by dx, or you can write also df by dx equal to x cube. X cube is 3x square minus 4x. 3x square minus 4x. df equal to 3x square minus 4x into, you bring it to this side, it become what? Into dx. Into dx, df equal to 3x square minus 4x into dx. So, df equal to 3 into x square. What is the x value? 2. So, 2 square. 3 into 2 square minus 4 into 2 dx. What is the value of dx? 0.5. The value of dx is what? 0.5. So, what is the value we are getting now? 4 3s are 12 minus 8 into 0.5. So, it gives 4 into 0.5. So, df equal to df equal to 20. That is point, the value is equal to 2. See, df equal to 2, you should find out the value of delta f. Delta f equal to, what is the formula for delta f? F of x plus delta x minus f of x. F of x plus delta x minus f of x. Here x value equal to 2, delta x equal to 0.5. X plus delta x equal to 2 plus 0.5 equal to 2.5. Equal to 2.5. So you substitute delta f equal to f of 2.5, f of 2.5 minus f of 2. F of 2.5 minus f of 2. You substitute in the f. What is that f value here? See, f of 2.5 the whole cube, f of x is x cube minus 2x square minus 2 into 2.5 the whole square, minus 2 into 2.5 the whole square minus f of 2. F of 2 also what you will write? 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square. So what is the value for this? See here, 2.5 the whole square is common. You can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 2.5 minus 2. 2.5 minus 2 here. 2 cube 8. Here also 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 is what? 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2.5 the whole square is nothing but what? 6.25. 6.25. 2.5 minus 2 is what? 0.5 minus 0. When we multiplied, what is the answer you are getting? Delta f equal to 3.125. Multiply, you are getting the value 3.125. See, actual change. Actual change. Actual change delta f. Delta f equal to 3.125. Okay, estimated change. Estimated change. Estimated change. Estimated change is nothing but what? df. df equal to 2.0. Okay, error. Error equal to. Error equal to delta f minus df. Delta f minus df. So it gives 3.125 minus 2.0. What is the error you are having? 1.125. 1.125.